Hello, this is David Godfrey. I'm going to prove to you that Einstein's equation E equals mc squared proves that God is real. First, I'm going to have to talk about his equation, and this shouldn't take that long, but in discussing his equation, I'm going to discuss some stuff that will be very simple to some people, but not everyone had a decent education. Now, his equation, E equals mc squared, means that energy equals matter times the speed of light squared. Basically, it is telling you how much energy can be found in a certain amount of stuff. And stuff is here measured by its weight, because mass means weight. So he's telling you how much energy is in a pound of mud or a pound of sand. And he's saying that to find how much energy there is, you have to multiply 1 pound by c squared, which is the speed of light squared. The speed of light is 186,000 miles a second. That's pretty damn fast. The speed of light squared is 186,000 times 186,000. So what does it tell us? This tells us that to find how much energy is in a pound of something, we multiply 1 for 1 pound by that phenomenal number, the speed of light squared. And what does that tell us? It tells us that the tiniest clumps of stuff have an exhilarating, stupendous quantum of energy. And now I'm going to read from my essay, because actually the essay is more well written than my off-the-cuff discussion could be. If so much energy resides in the tiniest specks of matter, those specks of matter can come to life as burning bushes, or as the splitting of the Red Sea, as Eve being born from one of Adam's ribs. This equation makes every seemingly irrational and seemingly fantastic proposition come to life. If so much energy inheres in the tiniest specks of matter, then all the miracles of the Old Testament and the New should never be rejected on the grounds that they seem bizarre and too improbable to be true. If E equals mc squared, then God is everywhere. Now I'm going to discuss some more complex theological and philosophical issues. Bear with me. Now, this formula perhaps proves Spinoza's contention that God was in everything. Now, theistic philosophers have said that although God is everywhere, divine energy or power was not in everything, and they have considered Spinoza heretical. I have trouble distinguishing between the notion that God is everywhere and the idea that God or the divine was in everything, or that everything was of the stuff of God, but I must concede that I possess no expertise in theology or philosophy. But this does not undermine the crux of my idea. The concentration of so much energy in the minutest things suggests that we live in a magical, godly world, and that the seemingly supernatural can be true without sounding too sentimental or drippy. It seems as if we should make way for the magical mystery tour. Goodbye.